I no longer buy blinds and shades. I make them myself in 5 minutes. They cost next to nothing. All you need is a roll of wallpaper. Measure 210 centimeters from each edge of the roll. This length will be used for a window 1 meter high. Draw a line and cut the wallpaper with scissors along this line. Measure 3 centimeters from the edges of one end. Draw a line and fold the wallpaper along it. Measure another 3 centimeters and fold the wallpaper in the opposite direction. Do it just like I show in the video. Continue folding the wallpaper in this manner. It will start to form a pleated effect. When the entire piece of wallpaper is folded, you will have a pleated roll. Lay it horizontally on a table. Measure 10 centimeters from each end with a ruler. Then take a drill and make a hole. Use a thin drill bit. Thread a string through the hole. Attach a string clamp at one end. Tie a loop so the string doesn't slip out. On the other end of the wallpaper, tape the end of the string to the wallpaper with adhesive tape. Do this on the non-patterned side. Repeat these steps for the second hole. Take double-sided tape and stick it to the edge of the wallpaper where the end of the string is attached. Remove the protective tape and attach the shade to the top frame of the window. And it's done. It only took a few minutes to make a beautiful pleated blind. You can adjust it using the stopper on the string. It beautifully decorates the window. It blocks light and neighbors' glances. This kind of blind is amazing and unique.